Ah! Ah!
Tell me where you found this bag. Don't make me take another finger. Does this have anything to do with the rice bear account? Tell me where you found this bag.
Why are you doing this? He's gonna kill you.
You're the only one that really listened to my music. You don't know how much that meant to me. In fact, it's helping me fight pain right now.
You should tell him that you didn't know anything.
Oh, I did. Guys like Frank, they just want to hurt people.
Play for me. Play my song.
Hear a theme song coming on strong. You're wearing your disguises all over town.
You better tell me something. Tell me about this bag. You're telling me a whole lot of nothing right now. Your name's not really Quincy, is it? You're lying to me about that also. Tell me your real name. Who are you?
All over town.
Tell me about...
Superhero theme song.
Hey, man.
Hey, Quincy.
Wearing your disguises all over town. You're going uptown.